Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix the code execution cannot proceed because Steam-API64.dll not found. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, open a browser, and then you just need to write Steam-API64.dll, download, and then probably it will be the first link here by dllfiles.com. Click on it, and then just scroll down a bit and download a 64-bit version here. If you're using Windows 11, and if you're using Windows 10, probably it will be 64-bit as well. And then you need to save whatever you like here. Let's save it on downloads. And then once it's downloaded, you can open the file here, and then you just need to extract the files. So let's extract it to downloads again, and then you will have Steam API file. Right, so what we need to do here next is to just get the file here, and let's make it 2 copies of it. So just Control C, Control V, and it's on my other desktop. And then what we need to do here is to just go on File Explorer, then go to scroll down a bit, this PC, the local disk C, then go to Windows, and then you need to look for System32 folder, System32. And then you just need to drag it to the System32 folder, and then replace, continue. Then delete the copy thing here. And once you get this file, and then you need to go on Windows again. Then you need to look for syswow64, and then you just need to put the file here as well, right? And then restart Steam, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it.